Ken from Alliance here with a sweet message. Sweet, S-U-I-T-E, sustainable, unique, innovative, timely, economical. Today I want to present to you our AquaMaster IR series machine. These are rotary indexing systems. They have a table that circulates 360 degrees. We've got two machines on the floor right now, configured slightly different. One of them is a wash, rinse with a blow off. The other is a dual wash with blow off. These machines operate with a compact logic with integrated motion. We've got a 24-bit encoder for absolute servo positioning. One of the really neat things about these machines is we use a safe torque off servo drive. When the machine is interrupted in the cycle during a move, it allows the machine to automatically resume its previous process. So when the conveyor begins its movement, we can break the cycle and the operator can get into the machine safely, and when we retract, the motion will automatically resume. These machines have the ability to be loaded manually, robotically, and we also have the ability to oscillate, wash and rinse. So very versatile machines, one of the many sweet things that we have going on here at Alliance. Have a great day.